What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be reviewing a client purchase. My client purchased a BMW M3. He did not have any money down, so he went ahead and got an auto primary trade line from my partner at Prime Tradelines. He did get the option for $100,000, aka 7-year history, because his car was around $90,000. I believe he also did the fast option, so it hit his credit report within 2 days. Now, if you guys are using a trade in, so you guys are trading in a car that has some sort of value, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, etc., you can subtract that from your overall trade line requirement. So if you need a lower amount, so let's say you need 55,000, but you also have a trade in of 20,000, you don't need to get the 55,000. You can go ahead and get the 25,000 because your trade in will cover the rest. If you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and email at Prime Trades up here. Otherwise, you guys can DM me on Telegram. It should be in the description below, and I can help you out. Thank you for watching.